Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. In today's video, I'll be giving a brief overview of the surcharges settings available inside of OwnerRez and show you how to create your very first surcharge. When you first log in to your OwnerRez account, you will land here on the Bookings page. To get to surcharges, first select Settings on the bottom far left of your menu bar, select Surcharges, and then select Create Surcharge. Here you will find a number of surcharge templates available. Inside of OwnerRez, we have standard fees, supplemental surcharges, and advanced surcharges. Standard fees are optimized to ensure they are applied to all direct bookings and sync to your Airbnb and VRBO channel integration listings. Supplemental surcharges are surcharges that guests can optionally select and apply to direct bookings, or hosts can manually apply pre-arrival. And finally, advanced surcharges offer the greatest flexibility for direct bookings, but depending on the criteria selected, they may not be applied to channel integration listings. All right, let's get started by creating our very first fee. To get started, select Add Fee under Cleaning Fee. Start by customizing your description. Select an amount for the cleaning fee. You can even select an optional short stay override amount. Select whether this is taxable or not, and then we'll add our conditions. You can easily select one property or select multiple, and in some situations, this $100 cleaning fee applies to the majority of your portfolio. If that's the case, all you need to do is select anything but, and only select the properties that this cleaning fee does not apply to. For this example, we'll keep it nice and simple and just select one property. Next, select from the options below, and if you have the property management module activated for your OwnerRez account, you'll see additional configurations available below. Next, select Save. That's it. You've created your very first surcharge. Inside of OwnerRez, you can create as many surcharges as you would like. You can also easily edit, disable, enable, and delete any of your surcharges that you have set up. To create another surcharge, just select Create Surcharge. For more information about surcharges, visit us at ownerrez.com/support for a number of articles on surcharges and how they apply to each connected channel. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.